Hello students, this is Mr. Z, and today we're going to be talking about the chemical energy formula again, and we're going to be talking about it while we're looking at plants that live underwater. There's a variety of plants that live underwater. One that is often used in examples of photosynthesis is called the Elodia plant, and you're looking at this right here. If you've ever seen an aquarium, these are the most popular plants that people put in their aquariums. Okay, let's begin with a refresher of the chemical energy formula of photosynthesis. Okay, first of all, we take captured sunlight or radiant energy, and we add carbon dioxide and water, and we mix this up, and this yields or makes glucose, which is chemical energy, and it also gives us oxygen. This is the oxygen that we breathe. And when it comes to photosynthesis in plants that are underwater, there are no difference between plants that are on land. They do the exact same thing. They take radiant energy. In this case, we're using a light bulb which simulates radiant energy. And they're already in water, so they have water as the formula. Carbon dioxide is coming up from the dead leaves and debris that's in the bottom of the lake beds or pond beds. We have all this decaying plant life and animals, and as they decay, they create carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide is constantly bubbling up from the soil that's inside the lakes and the ponds. And so far we have radiant energy, water, and carbon dioxide, and that's exactly what it says right here on this side for the ingredients: radiant energy, carbon dioxide, and water. And next it's going to produce glucose, which it uses to grow and live. So here's evidence of a healthy Elodia plant. And then also releases oxygen. And the oxygen would be these little white bubbles that are going up. These are our oxygen bubbles. So again, also providing oxygen for fish so they can breathe. And it also, some of it escapes the surface of the water and becomes oxygen that humans can breathe too. So we have the carbon dioxide coming from the soil. See, they're kind of, I made them kind of dark so you can see the difference. And the oxygen bubbles. So when you see bubbles in a scientific experiment coming from a Elodia plant, it's going to be one or two things. It's either going to be carbon dioxide bubbles that you are seeing coming up, or you're going to see oxygen bubbles. Most likely it's going to be oxygen bubbles. All right, well, this is Mr. Z showing you photosynthesis for plants that live underwater.